Pink has been the color most women love because it looks softy and gentle. That is why a lot of men are avoiding any shades of this color because of masculinity. Being associated with pink color, they say, will make you a softy and will lose your masculinity. Gone are the days when men think of this notion, dahil most men nowadays consider pink as the true color of masculinity. To most men, it is a sign of self-expression. For men who belong to the LGBTQ+ community, this is an expression of one's self-identity. But recently, ang mga kapatid natin sa LGBTQ community ay ginagamit na ang rainbow color to represent themselves. Only real men who are confident about their sexuality can wear pink. They are not afraid to wear pink because pag nadala nila ang pink without looking like bading or a softie or hindi na compromise ang sexuality nila, they are the real macho men. Pink can be worn like white t-shirt. You can pair it with any solid colored pants or layers. You can also use different accessories if you don't want people to focus on your pink shirt or t-shirt para mailayo ang mata nila o para mas ma-feature mo yung mga accessories mo or yung bag mo. Pag pink ang color ng shirt mo, it will make you look mabango and bagong ligo all the time. Basta yung pink shirt or shorts mo ay malinis syempre. Solid colors like black, gray, or white are the perfect match for pink. Pink long sleeves can easily get you the attention you want kung nasa crowd ka. Pink shirt goes with almost anything. Bags, tote bags, necklace, bracelets, watch. As long as dark yung color niya, it will definitely stand out. So sport that pink colored shirt and see the wonder how pink can make you rule your world. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to comment and give this a like. And I will see you again on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.